host in the building. Tonight entertainment for life. Shut down. Abugo.
Yeah, like my choice. Like I belong with my one overdose. The pure be ijele. Ma try month all over 5G.
I'm on Dabus Kabash. In 2020, Agwam Panefen Nonya be in Dabuski. But before the end of the 2020, they bring out a new power now what Dabus Kabash. Hey!
Latest updates.
And Anna Panyesin at the end of the December. Mbufte can do can use one Balogu. Makenjune Mambalogu.
Overdose.